What does the Hebrew word for trust really mean in Psalm 91, and why is it more urgent than just feeling confident? Psalm 91 verse 4 says, "He shall cover thee with his feathers, and under his wings shalt thou trust. His truth shall be thy shield and buckler." The Hebrew word here is Chasah, pronounced Chasah, Strong's H2620. Chasah does not describe passive optimism or mental agreement. It means to flee for shelter, to take refuge, to run into a place of safety when danger is near. That makes Psalm 91 intensely practical. The image is not someone admiring a refuge from far away. It is a vulnerable creature pressing under protective wings before the storm reaches them. Proverbs 3 verse 5 gives us batach, the trust that leans the heart's full weight on the Lord. Psalm 91 gives us Chasah, the moment that inward confidence becomes movement into God's shelter. First, Chasah is trust with its feet moving. The Hebrew word does not describe passive optimism. It pictures someone fleeing danger and taking shelter before the storm reaches them. Second, Psalm 91 turns refuge into proximity. Under his wings is not distant admiration of God's safety. It is the vulnerable creature pressing close enough to be covered. Third, batach leans, Chasah runs. Proverbs 3 verse 5 calls the heart to rest its weight on the Lord, while Psalm 91 verse 4 shows that same trust becoming an active retreat into God's protection. Fourth, God's truth is the shelter's wall. Psalm 91 verse 4 pairs wings with shield and buckler, teaching that refuge is not escape from reality, but enclosure inside what God has spoken. Fifth, real refuge changes our crisis reflex. Chasah asks where we go first when fear rises, into prayer, truth, and obedience, or out into the open field of self-reliance. Chasah means trust, is not only believing God is a refuge, it is running under his wings, letting his truth become the place where fear no longer gets the final word. Discover this every single day with Bible verses meaning. Tap any word to see its original Hebrew or Greek meaning instantly. Get deep linguistic analysis with practical application, and ask any question to get scripture-backed answers. Today's song inspired by Chasah is called "Collision with the Grace."
The atmosphere is fracturing, the pavement turns to glass. I'm tracking every second as the heavy shadows pass. No standing in the open, no reason in the gale. The logic of the static is a weak and weary tale. I'm gathering the velocity, I'm bending at the knee. The trajectory is fixed upon the place I need to be. It isn't in the headspace, it isn't the thought. It's the kinetic calculation that the desperation bought.
Chasah, I'm in the motion, I'm in the heavy run. Fleeing to the canopy, fleeing from the sun. It's a physical collision with the refuge in the stone. A desperate displacement to the place I'm finally known. I'm diving in the shadow, I'm tucking in the wing. It's the sudden slam and slave and safety of the shelter that you bring. Chasah, the flight is finished, the collision is the grace. I'm huddling in the granite of this resurrected place.
I was calculating probabilities of staying in the rain, thinking that the fortitude could neutralize the pain. But fortitude is fragile when the lightning starts to arc, and courage is a candle in a stadium of dark. So I'm breaking all the tether, I'm launching from the ledge. I'm launching from the ledge, moving with the urgency that lives upon the edge. The shelter is a mountain, the refuge is a wall, and I am just the particle that answers to the call.
Flee with the velocity, hide in the density, hide in the stability, collision with the stability. The impact is the safety, the impact is the safety. Run into the coverage, crawl on the coverage, crawl on the canopy. The refuse is the reality. Chasah, I'm in the motion, I'm in the heavy run. Fleeing to the canopy, fleeing from the sun. It's a physical collision with the refuge in the stone. A desperate displacement to the place I'm finally known. I'm diving in the shadow, shelter that you bring. Chasah, the fight is finished, the collision is the grace. I'm hurling in the granite of this resurrected place.
The impact is sound,
The shelter is deep.
run into the shadows.